Welcome back, everybody. See, you survived our last video and you made it to this one. Doing a little back alley hike here in the city. A little overgrown area by the water plant next to a creek. Already got a couple of videos of a deer. Keep my eyes open. Keep my eyes open. I think over there's the water plant. Back there's where we came from. Trying to get down over here to the river. Something special to show you guys. On the way, we can talk a little bit more. I know you guys are all probably curious. Who is this guy? What's he do? What's he doing it for? So start putting in those comments down there. Ask me questions. I'm gonna be Mr. Mysterious until then. I'm gonna be Mr. Mysterious. You gotta ask questions if you want to know. Something's over there. I think that's that deer we scared earlier. We were down there when I was taking the video, so he probably just went right over there. Anyways, yeah, like I was saying, wherever you were seeing this at, the old TikToker, the old YouTuber, the old Facebooks, whatever you want to call them, wherever you're watching me at, out there on the interwebs, right up to the river. River's a little low right now. Looks like a good shot. Good shot. Good spot for fishing. Right out here. There's the trestle. We'll have to get a video down there one day. Took the kids there with the dog. Scared a cat right off the side of it. Train went by while we were there. It was all pretty cool. Find some good little gems here across the city. Just gotta know what you're looking for. I'll get a few more here in my local city. If you guys can guess where I'm at, I'll tell you. Low tide. Low tide. No tides on this river. Just down. It's been a really hot summer where I'm at. But today, high humidity, but there's a little bit of a breeze. And you can't beat this overcast. These clouds. Cloudy with a chance of meatballs. See if I got the old skill still, guys. Got you in my hand, ready? See, do better. Do better. Do better. That was good. That was good. Talking to myself. Talking to you guys like I'm talking to myself. I don't know if that makes me crazy or you. I think it makes you crazy. Anyway, so I'm gonna get off here, get heading on back. Wanted to check out the end, see how low the river was. Pretty neat. I used to work in that blue building over there a long time ago, 25 years ago. Worked there night shift for a little while. Used to be Hansman Mills. Oh, might give you guys, give it away where I'm at. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one.